The development of flexible electronics has been greatly influenced by nature, as many of its components have been inspired by natural structures and processes. This includes materials such as graphene, which was discovered in graphite, and silk fibers, which can be used to create lightweight, strong, and flexible electronic devices. Additionally, nature has provided inspiration for the development of sensors, batteries, and other components. Furthermore, researchers have begun to explore ways to integrate nature into flexible electronics, such as using bacteria to produce bioelectronic materials and using plants to generate energy. As these technologies continue to evolve, it is important to maintain a balance between nature and technology, ensuring that both remain sustainable and viable.
This article was authored by Panpan Wang, Mengmeng Hu, Wang, and others.